Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamualaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here, and yes, good morning from my little man cave. Alhamdulillah, I love my coffee, and yes, the video title says it, it's true, and the video thumbnails shows you. I am giving away all those drones, and much more is coming for the giveaway. Now you need details, and for that I have left a link in video description which will take you to another video on my Hobby Daddy channel. So go ahead, watch that video and you will know what is coming next in giveaway contest. Stay updated for that, and yes, I do have a little milestone for that video. Once that video, that link in video description right here, gets 5k hits and 500 comments, so please comment on that video, I will start the giveaways. So you decide how soon the giveaways are going to start. And by the way, if you're looking to start a passive income, that means make money from your videos and vlogs, there is another link in this video description. Go follow it, register an account for free, upload videos and start earning money from your videos right away. Trust me, they pay more than YouTube, and they do not have restrictions like 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. No such thing. Start uploading videos, start making money right away from your videos. The more you upload, the more you earn. What are you doing here? Links are in video description. Go check them out.